What is up, everyone? It's your boy Luis Fausto. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, night, whatever time of day you're watching this video. In this video, you're going to learn 3 different things: how to navigate and use Discord, how to look for certain information in the Discord channel, and actually how to be less stressed when being involved in NFT space. This is very beginner friendly, so if you're new to the space, this video is for you. And if you find this useful, please share it with a friend who is actually interested in jumping the space but actually doesn't know how to use Discord or what Discord is. That being said, let's jump right in. So today I'm actually if you haven't watched my last video, I did a breakdown of doing research on a project, and it happened to be Degen Tunes. The video, I is again beginner friendly. I went through all the different types of etiquette and what to look for when you're actually researching a project, right? No financial advice, but it actually happened to be a really good project and it's doing really well. So I'm going to go ahead and stick to that project and show you guys how to actually not manage. You're not going to be managing the Discord, but how to navigate the Discord. So let's go ahead and click their Discord link. And I joined their Discord, but I exited the server for this video to make sure you guys understand how to enter. So first things first, when you click on a Discord link, you're most likely going to land on this landing page, right? And most of the time, I say most of the time because most of the time these links are actually open to whoever clicks the link, unless it's a very private Discord and you can only get an invite. In this case, it's open and it gives you certain metrics. There's 3,000 people online and there's 16.7 thousand members in the Discord. So all you have to do if you don't have an account is accept the invite. I know it's not an invite, it's a link, but this is a call to action button that they have. So go ahead and click accept invite. It's opening the Discord app. I have one open over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this. It's taking a little bit of load. Thank you for your patience. Okay, I'm gonna move myself so we can see what's going on here, okay? Let's see. We'll put myself here for now. Okay, so we're in the Discord, and I say that in quotes because we're not necessarily in yet, but we've landed, okay? So what we landed to is the rules. What I've noticed a lot of times is like sometimes since this app might be foreign to us, we don't necessarily know what this means, right? We don't even know what we're looking at. So I'm going to break it down for you. Ignore all these DMs. But to your left right here, this is going to be essentially your navigation, right? This is all the servers that I'm involved in. They're not organized, so don't worry about that. But this little strip right here is all your Discords you're in, and if you do have your DMs open, your DMs, these probably are scams, so I never open them. I should turn them off, but there are some people I DM in here. But this strip is just simply for Discord and user engagement, if you will. Now to your right, this is where all your channels are going to be at, meaning this is where you're going to essentially navigate the Discord. It'll make more sense right now after I accept these rules, but this right here is going to be all your navigation. Depending on how the Discord is set up by the projects, they'll have things like this, like there's 16.7 members. There's an announcement. This project sold out, what chain they're using, and there's seems to be some music in here. So, those are more custom stuff to this specific Discord, but this is where all your channels are going to be. The center frame right here is where all the content or the engagement happens, right? Right now we're seeing the rules right now, but eventually there's going to be channels where you could actually engage in, you can type in. Right now it says right here, you do not have permissions to send messages in this channel. Okay. But it'll make more sense again once we unlock it. But this center thing, the center frame, sorry, not the thing, but center frame is the frame that all the content you're going to be consuming is on. And then to the right, I'll scoot myself a little bit. It just, the different roles that are in this Discord. So they're letting you know that there's 3 bots in here, who the mods are. So this is very important, okay? If you're a beginner, you're going to want to make sure that you see where the mods are at. And then specifically the mods, because this is essentially the people that will help you if you have any questions. So if you click on them, you can send them a message right here. It'll tell you about them if they do have a little bio about them. And it'll tell you the other roles they have in this Discord specifically. And you got a note here for your organization purposes, and then you could DM this person if you ever had an issue. So for example, if in any case, like, hey, I cannot open the Discord. And if you were to send it, I'm not going to send this, But if you were to send it, just hit enter and they'll get a DM. And usually they're very good about responding back to you. But yeah, I just want to make sure this section over here is all the roles. Again, I would focus more on the moderators. These are people that if you do have issues, you could contact. And then the rest are just roles within the Discord. So they have a DGen. See that there's only one. It says there's only one. Not sure what this role does. Alpha Tunes, Mega Tunes. So these are roles made by the Discord in the project. So maybe for a holder, there's a Mega Tune role. So things like that. So, okay, cool. So now that we got situated, your Discord strip, your channel information, your content screen, and then the roles to your right. Awesome. Now, like I said, we landed in the rules section. So it says right here, server rules. And most of these are always basic and straightforward. It's very common courtesy and very common rules that we should all follow in life and on the internet. It's very easy to do because being respectful is one, no inappropriate language, no spamming, no pornographic, adult, other not safe for work material, no ads, no offensive names and profile pictures, no server rating. Rating or mentions of rating are not allowed. Rating in the NFT space means when they do an announcement, or I guess in this sense, they don't want you to just send raids to you to of different projects, right? They don't. A raid is essentially someone telling a bunch of people to come and just mention a certain thing, just people to get involved or to create noise, right? You don't want that. So they don't want that. So these are the rules, right? Direct and indirect threats, obviously clear. Follow the Discord community guidelines. Awesome. Do not spread FUD and negativity. FUD is essentially fear, uncertainty, and oh man, what does the D stand for again? FUD. Quick little search right here. In doubt. My goodness, I am so sorry. I always forget the D. So fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and negativity. So they don't want that in the Discord. So awesome. And it says down here, react with the thumbs up to accept the rules and enter the server. Okay, this is very important because this is a very, I feel like a lot of beginners don't know what to do here, and essentially they enter the Discord and may never see any content or announcements about the project and feel like, hey, this Discord never said anything. So as it says, we're gonna react to it. Well, I was already in the Discord and it showed that I was reacted to it, but since I'm new, I'm gonna go ahead and react to it again, and then boom, all of a sudden the channel section that I mentioned in the beginning unfolds and unlocks, right? So I've essentially, quote unquote, unlocked this server. This is going to be a very important step because most of these Discords, I'll stop scrolling for now. Most of these Discords actually have you as a user accept the rules in order to unlock these things, these channels. So this is going to be the most important step that I would say in this video because it allows you to actually navigate the Discord now. So that leads to my second thing is how to navigate and look for information. Now that we've unlocked it, we could now look at all these different channels. So it says welcome. This is just a welcome screen to allow to say welcome to the new users. Okay. Information. So these up here, these ones right here aren't channels. These are called categories. So just like they categorize different channels based on what they're trying to offer. So this one says information. They have a sales bot letting people know what NFT got sold. Safety and security. So here it looks like an announcement tab. So they're making sure this is really good because founders should do this with projects. They always share insight on how to be secure within the space and the project specifically. So for example, the latest one says, we recommend to please turn off DMs. Read through all messages sent above this channel. We will never DM you first. This is an important message because sometimes, like I said, all these DMs I have over here are probably just scammers and spammers alike trying to get my attention and probably try to steal my money. So never ever, this is good, never ever respond to a DM so quickly because you don't know who it's coming from, especially if they're asking you to go into a link and obviously connect your wallet. Never, never do that, please. So this is good. So safety and security, there's an announcement tab. So these are all the announcements for the project. You'll find announcements. You could scroll through all these. And yeah, these are good because this is a way for the team. As you can see, there's a lot of announcements I've missed. So I don't want to scroll through these, but this is a channel essentially usually every Discord has is for founders to communicate any specific announcements to the project. And again, this is an information tab. So most of the time you cannot actually respond or type into these channels because they're not meant for engagement. This is more like a billboard. So again, information, you'll find things like the Tune team. This is about the team, which is cool. You have the roadmap. So it's very informative about the project, FAQs, and official links. This is a very special and important channel, right? Official links. Never, ever, ever, ever hit a link that isn't official. What does this mean? It's always good to always go to the project Discord to navigate to their resources. So you never want to click a link that's sent in the DM. Could be a scam. You always want to come here, and your best bet's always going to be these links right here. So the website, the OpenSea, Twitter, and Instagram. This is very important. I don't want you guys to get scammed. So make sure you always go to the chat, to the Discord, and find the official links. The rest is pretty self-explanatory, sneak peeks, things like that, giveaways. Now the next category is a tunes chat here, right? And as you can see, there's a general. Now what you'll notice is now I can type in here. I'm not gonna send this, but I could be like, hey, what's up, guys? What's up, everyone? Project looking great. Then you can send it right there. Add the ghost like peanut butter. You'll get some degen stuff, but right here, hey, what's up, everyone? Project looking great. So now I can communicate. This is a chat. Obviously, this is a general chat, and it looks like they have language focused chats. So obviously, I wouldn't go into a French one. I don't know French, but this is a good way to add inclusion, right? And then Tunes voice chat. I don't usually get involved in the voice chats, but it's pretty cool when they do have them because you could connect with other people in the Discord. So, and then Tunes social corner. So Discords. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna grab some water. Excuse me. Discords sometimes add like their own functionality and their own customization in these channels and groups. So this category is called Tunes Social Corner. They have Tunes Arcade. Let's go check it out. What is this? Seems like you could play a game in here. Okay, cool. Art contest. So baby people. Okay, cool. They share their art. Yeah. So it looks like you could share your art here. Memes. These are always funny. So these are more open. More catered to, again, social aspects. So yeah, this is cool too right here. A support. So I think it's good that a Discord always has a support because we could run into some issues. I'm actually, I guess in this case, the only way to get support if you didn't unlock the server is to actually contact the moderator. But I think it's always good for projects to have support available no matter what, if you accept the rules or not. Because I think sometimes I've been in Discords where I try to accept the rules, but it won't let me. So I have to go and contact a mod or something. But it'd be cool if I could put it in a Discord chat, something more accessible as well. So, but yeah, there you guys have it. That's unlocking it. And to navigate it, like I said, you always want to make sure the information is always handy. Obviously, announcements are always going to be the ones that are probably going to be most busy because this is the way the project founders give you updates, give you sneak peeks, give you some alpha, or they put you on game and things like that. So announcements will always be buzzing on the information tab. And again, a quick, really quick reminder: official links. Please use this one all the time. And then the Tunes chat or chats in any other Discord. So this, pretty much don't get too lost in other ones. Obviously, if other channels interest you, engage in them, create community, connect with others and things like that. But I just want to make sure you guys knew how to accept the rules, how to actually unlock the server and navigate through it. And this is a very basic, very user friendly, very beginner friendly video for those actually wanting to go into the space, those that are in the space but actually might be overwhelmed by Discord. And I hope this helps because I think it's very important that we actually include all these people into these communities and actually allow them to actually learn this app, because I've talked to people in real life. They're like, either what's Discord, or I'm in a Discord, man, but I don't know how to use it, or it's like I get too overwhelmed. So that was the point of this video. I know I didn't really touch on not being stressed because there's so many Discords, but just try to limit, especially if you're a holder, try to go in and out. You don't need to be in here all day. You can, you could be a degen, but you don't need to. Sometimes you could come in here for 5 minutes, 10 minutes in Discords and chat it up or get some information that you want to make sure you keep doing your research and things like that. So again, I hope this helped. If this did help, please share with a friend, share on your feeds, and we'll see you in the next video, guys.